What's up, family? Welcome back to Michy Dex Commentary, the home of truth, balance, and real Jamaican reasoning. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because today we're reacting to Dionne Jackson Miller's latest video about Jamaica's constitution, and trust me, Mark Golding handled this one like a real leader. Now, Dionne Jackson Miller raised some sharp questions about the ongoing constitutional reform process, and as usual, she did her homework. She pointed out confusion and tension between the parties, especially when Mark Golding refused to sit quietly and rubber-stamp changes that could reshape Jamaica's future. And you know what? She's right to open that debate, because this is serious business. But here's where I stand with the PNP and Mark Golding. Leadership sometimes means saying, hold on, not like this. The PNP isn't against reform, they're against being shut out of the process. Golding simply asked for clarity, transparency, and equal participation before we start tearing pages out of the Constitution. While some in the JLP frame it as opposition for opposition's sake, it's actually principled leadership. You can't claim independence while silencing one side of Parliament. Mark Golding is doing what strong opposition leaders do, demanding accountability and reminding Jamaica that reform must come with consensus, not convenience. Dionne's analysis showed how much this issue matters, but it also highlights why Mark's caution is not weakness, it's wisdom. So while others play politics, Mark Golding is playing it smart, and Jamaica deserves that kind of steady hand. Big up Dionne Jackson Miller for sparking the national discussion, but big respect to the PNP for standing on principle. Drop your thoughts in the comments, family. Do you think Mark Golding handled this the right way? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep your eyes open, your mind sharp, and your heart true. This is Michy Dex Commentary. Real talk, real Jamaica.